Hey there YouTube, Alana here from teachtraffic.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install Google Ads conversion tracking code to your website using the Google Tag Manager. But before we get stuck into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button to this channel and also the bell button so that you get notified for future episodes. And if you like this video, I'd love for you to give me a like and maybe even comment on this video. All right, so let's get stuck into this video where, as I said, I'm going to show you how to install Google conversion tracking code to your website using Tag Manager. Now, to be clear in what exactly we are doing, I'm going to be sending traffic to this special offer page, right, where people put in their name and email address and hit sign up and claim discount. When they do that, they are redirected to a different page, or otherwise known as a thank you page, for the people who do that, okay, saying to go check your email, etc. So what I want to do is I want to put conversion tracking code just on this thank you page so that I can track who from Google Ads has actually, registered for this discount and landed on this page, etc. Alrighty. So if we're in Tag Manager, I am going to assume that you have already created your Tag Manager account. If you have not created your Tag Manager account, you will need to create one. I do have a separate video in this channel showing you just how you can do it and how easy it is. I can put a link in the description to that video showing you how to create a new Tag Manager account. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're in our Tag Manager account and we are going to create a new tag, okay, because that's the way it works. So we're going to go to tag configuration. Now, the wonderful thing with Google Tag Manager is it's a Google product, and so therefore it talks really, really nicely with other Google products. Okay, so Tag Manager and Google Ads, they just talk really beautifully together. So we're going to hit on tag configuration, and one of the default tag types is Google Ads conversion tracking. How easy is that, right? So we're going to click on that, and then it's going to give us some conversion ID and label elements that we need to fill in. So we're going to head on over to our Google Ad account and we're going to grab that code. So if you have not already created your conversion, you've got to go to Tools and go to Conversions, okay? And I have already created my conversion action. If you haven't done that, you're going to need to hit the plus button and create a conversion event. I also have another separate video on just how to do that as well, which you can watch after. But basically, I'm going to click on the one that I've already created here, and I'm going to click this drop down arrow, and you can see that there's, it gives us 3 ways that we can install this. So I'm going to click on Google Tag Manager, and these are the 2 elements that I need. So I'm going to go double click this, conversion ID and conversion label. Alrighty, so that is all I need. I need to give my tag a name, so I'm going to call it special offer conversion. Okay, now I need to give Tag Manager some instruction on when I want this tag to fire, because I don't want it to just fire all the time, right? So I need to set up a trigger, and I want it to trigger to land on just this page, as I mentioned at the start of this video. Now, I have actually already created this, but I'll show you just how easy it is to create. Let me just grab this URL. So I'm going to copy the section after whatever is my .com, or if you're .co.uk or wherever. I'm going to hit this plus button here. It's not so obvious, and we're going to give it a trigger. So page view, I want it to fire where there's a page view. I don't want it to fire on all pages, only on some pages. I'm going to say page URL contains just that, and I'm going to call this. Give it a name. I'm going to say special offer thank you page, and then we can click save. Now, I'm not going to click save because I've already created it, but that's what you would do. So I'm going to discard that change, and I'm going to say that I want this tag to fire on this page, and I'm going to click add. So then I've created my tag, I've given it a name, I've put in the conversion elements here, and I've said that I want it to trigger for a page view of just that page. That's how easy it is. We're going to click save. Now, this does not mean it's been published on my website yet. So it's always good practice to make sure you've set it up correctly. So we go into preview mode in Tag Manager, and you'll see that when this loads, it's sort of an orange bar that sort of says that you're currently in preview mode. As you can see now in preview workspace. So let me just show you here. If I refresh this page, a preview pane is going to come up below here, showing me what tags are being fired. Okay, so tags fired here, Google Analytics, that's good. Google Ads Retargeting, Facebook Pixel, that's good. Tags not fired, Google Conversion Tracking, and this is this new one that I just created. That's the one I created before, but for the purpose of this video, I created a new one. So that's good, because we don't want the tag to fire on this page. If we go to our thank you page and we do the same thing and we refresh, I want to make sure that my conversion tracking code is firing on this page. So cool, awesome, tags fired, it is working. Here is our new conversion tracking code. Okay, so we go back to Tag Manager and we can actually leave preview mode because you don't want to stay in preview mode. And then we can actually hit publish, where it will push that code to my website, and you just hit submit, publish, and you just hit that publish button. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it, but that's literally all you have to do. And then you have published your Google conversion tracking code using Tag Manager. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit the bell button, and we'll catch you on next videos. Thanks so much.